Those of us in Southwest Idaho are seeing and certainly feeling the effects of the wildfires in eastern Oregon in particular. National data shows the air quality is unhealthy for sensitive groups here in the Treasure Valley. Abby Davis is here to show us what's happening. Abby, this air quality could impact everyone's health, really, if they spend time outside.
Right, Morgan. This is an air quality map of the entire country put together by the federal government for much of today. A lot of Southwest Boise was purple, which is unhealthy, meaning that a lot of people, or really everyone, needed to stay inside. But over the last couple of hours, things have gotten better. We're seeing more red, more orange, a lot of yellow throughout the West. I talked with a couple of experts earlier today who explained why it's so important that you keep tabs on this data.
It's pretty horrendous right now.
Extreme temps now combined with unhealthy air, creating a potentially dangerous combination for people in the Treasure Valley.
As I was driving to the office, could just see it and feel it and taste it.
Smoke continues rolling in from wildfires in eastern Oregon, including the Durkee Fire, which has burned hundreds of thousands of acres.
Starting this morning, we started seeing levels in the red, and then those climbed
to very unhealthy for most of Tuesday before bumping down to unhealthy for sensitive groups in the evening. Idaho Department of Environmental Quality Air Quality Manager David Left called the smoky air the worst he can remember in more than a decade.
I don't think we've had a time when we've stayed in the purple or the very unhealthy category for this long. Generally, it's when we've seen the purple, very unhealthy category, it's just limited, an hour here, an hour there.
It's terrible for your lungs. It can make it hard to breathe. It can cause, coughing. It can irritate your nasal passages, your eyes.
Pulmonary critical care physician Wesley Pidcock says everyone should stay indoors when the air quality is considered unhealthy or worse. Though seniors, children, and people with underlying health conditions are most at risk.
Poor air quality can lead to exacerbations of those underlying disease states, and can also lead to higher rates of hospitalizations.
We have forecast a red or unhealthy day again for tomorrow. Hopefully we see some better levels of smoke, and hopefully the ozone comes down.
Dr. Pidcock says the smoke can seep into your house too if you're more sensitive. He recommends having a clean room you can go into with AC and a portable air filter. You should, of course, call a doctor or go to urgent care if you have trouble breathing.